तो भाई ये कह रहा है कि भाई मामा मुझे इंग्लिश सिखा दो। तो भाई इंग्लिश सिखानी से तो इंग्लिश में हम दोनों बात करेंगे। सो आर यू रेडी?
No.
He is saying no. Why? Come here, don't hesitate. It's a viewer. So laying down, just laying down, and we will just discuss in English. So tell me about yourself.
I am Saxena from Aurangabad.
From Aurangabad, what? Tell me your district.
District Sitapur.
Sitapur, from Lucknow, near Lucknow. Okay. So when you will go Lucknow, so you can visit his home and you can go his home and he will welcome you.
Yeah.
You will welcome?
Yes.
Okay, he will welcome. Okay, so tell me something about what do you do in your free time and what's your favorite things, etc. And what's your qualification and what are you doing right now?
When I'm free, so I'm going to ground and play cricket with my friends.
With your friends,
Yeah.
male or female?
Female.
Female?
नहीं male.
He's saying female.
नहीं
Female.
male.
Even I don't have female.
Female.
Even listen. Even I don't have female friend, but she has.
No, I have female.
I will.
Male.
I will tell you your mother.
No,
I will tell your mother and father.
No,
I will tell you.
Male, female.
No. What did you say sometime before? You are playing with your female friends.
No,
Not her. Anna guys, what did you listen?
Male, female.
Oh.
Male friends, mama.
Okay, just laying down.
No.
Okay, guys, just male friend. Just leave.
What
Okay.
are you saying, mama?
Nothing. We just discussed. We were both. This is your phone.
Yeah, mama.
See, guys, it's his phone, and he's the owner of this phone. And what's your age?
My 15.
He's only 15, and I was at 15. I don't have any phone.
What are you saying, mama?
I don't
It's
have
not
any.
good thing. You are saying-
I tell really things. When I was in 15 age though, so I don't have any phone. My parents didn't give
I have
me.
phone only to study.
It's a very
Study.
Study.
Yeah.
No, it's only joking study.
No,
The main thing is what, playing game
No.
and watching the videos all time.
Wait.
What way?
I saw you.
No, I don't want to show. Are you silent? Tell
What?
anything as you want, as you want in your mind. You can express. You can explain and things.
Bye, Tata. See you.
He's saying bye Tata. It's not good. Just laying down. I will upload this video on YouTube.
Sorry, mama. I
In
can't
on-
do this.
I will upload the video on YouTube. So listen.
Sorry.
So,
I can't do this.
Just listen, laying down,
No.
and we will discuss only for English. So, guys, how we can learn English? Okay, so Ans will tell how we can learn English in fast, in short time. Can you give me some tips?
Yeah.
Just tell me what is the step and what is the tricks and tips for learning English. So tell.
When you are going anywhere,
Okay.
then you thinking in English.
Okay, he's saying that when you will go outside, so you can think in English everything. Then
You are try to speak in English in every time.
every time. He's saying you have to just try to speak in English instead of Hindi. You don't use Hindi word, just English
Yeah.
in every time. And next,
And you will try to
what yes?
what is mean of?
Yes, you can ask me and I will tell you. Say
I don't know what I.
you don't have any words for telling.
No, thank you.
No,
Bye,
it's
Tata.
not. Thank you. It's enough.
Okay.
It's not enough. Just we are.
Okay, that's all fit.
No. It's not. It's not over. So tell the fast because its video will too much long.
You
And
really want to upload?
yes, I will upload this video
I
on
don't
YouTube.
know. I'm on-
He's understanding. I will not upload this video, but the truth is that I will upload this video on YouTube because this is an English video. So he is sitting behind of me. You can watch, and he's covering of body with the blanket. Don't cover up. Just watch here. So can you here come here? I already forget about what is the.
Guys, look at here.
I don't
look
have.
At here, guys.
I just want to ask
Guys.
something, but I don't have word of
Mama,
English.
forget. You
Yes.
forget.
So it's a normal thing. Everyone get forget when they speak in English. Am I right, guys? Yes.
Mama, I will. You don't know. I will try to speak in English.
Yes.
I
Only
will try.
not.
So don't laugh. Mama.
Only you don't. We both are learning English. Okay.
Yeah. We both are.
Yes.
So, Mama, please don't laugh.
I am not laughing. I just
When I talk in wrong English, so you tell me.
listen. If you are speaking English wrong, so it doesn't matter. Don't hesitate. Avoid that thing. When you will start anything, so in the beginning you will get many failures.
Yes.
Okay, but without failure you can't learn anything. Okay, just I have an example.
Yes, you are saying correct.
Just listen to me carefully. I have an example. Example is that just suppose a person want to play cricket,
Yeah.
and firstly he will learn how to hold the bat,
But
and after that he will go on the ground and defends the ball.
Defend the
But in the beginning he miss many
Miss
balls.
the ball. Yes,
many
many,
will in
many
the
balls.
beginning. But when he will go daily by daily,
Yes.
then he will
many
learn
dots ball.
he will learn how to defense,
Yes.
how to defense the ball, and after some time he will hit the
Yes.
six and four, and
He will try to hit.
and he will play very well. He will make more runs.
Yes.
It's a beginning things, so that things you can learn English, otherwise you can't learn. So the basic rule of English is what? Daily speaking, don't hesitating, daily try to speak. When you will speak daily by daily, so you can learn, otherwise you can't learn. Okay, you got my point.
Yes.
What
Yes.
I said. I have a question for you,
Yes.
so you have to explain in English. Okay,
No.
so tell me about daily routine, your morning to night.
It's very hard.
It's not hard. You have just try to speak.
Can I speak Hindi?
No, Hindi is not allowed.
Okay.
If you will learn English, so forget Hindi.
When I talk wrong English.
No matter. I am already speak wrong many
And
sentences.
don't laugh.
Yeah, I will not laugh. I will appreciate.
Okay.
So tell me about your daily routine from morning to night. Okay.
First I walk in morning.
Okay.
Then I go to bathroom and bathing and
Yes, good.
and
Get ready. Get
and
fresh.
get ready for
School.
school.
Okay.
Then I going to school.
Huh? You don't have breakfast.
No.
You don't have.
Yeah.
You
Then
have to
I-
say after getting ready, I have some breakfast,
I have some breakfast.
and after that
After that, I am going to school and
you go to school. Not I am going to school. You are not going just now. You have telling that thing, so you have to say I go to school
I
after
go to school after
that.
that time.
Okay, then after reaching the school, what do you do?
First, I
What do
am
you do?
going to school. Then I am going ground and playing
Praying prayer
prayer
and doing some
slogans.
and what things? Prayer, PT.
PT. Yeah.
Okay,
PT
okay.
and prayer
And after that,
and national anthem.
national anthem.
National song. National
Oh.
anthem.
Okay, so what is our national anthem?
Vande Bharat. Sorry.
guys,
Sorry.
guys.
Sorry.
He's
National anthem.
come. Guys, he's saying national anthem. What is our national anthem?
National anthem.
Yes.
Jan Gan Man.
But what did you say sometime before? Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram.
Ah,
Sorry,
nice,
no,
nice.
I have not forget. Mama, listen.
Shame on me.
Listen.
Shame on you.
Listen.
You are
Mama.
not my nephew, cousin. No. So why are you sitting?
Ma'am,
Just playing. Okay, just chill. Chill, dude, chill.
Mama, I hesitated.
And after that, yes, your national anthem is Vande Mataram, and after that.
What are
okay,
you
okay.
saying?
Okay, Jan Gan
I
Man.
am.
After finishing your PT, your prayer, then you will enter. You enter in the classroom, and then tell. Yes.
Then first period is English period, so I learn English.
English. So I have a question of English. Can I ask?
No.
No. I will ask if you learn daily by daily English. So tell me, what is the difference between tense and sentence? What is the tense and what is sentence? Tell me.
Can I explain in Hindi?
Yes, you can explain in Hindi, but only little, not too much.
Okay.
Yes,
And
explain.
please repeat again your question.
What is the difference between tense and sentence?
I don't know.
You don't know.
No.
It's a very bad thing, guys. He don't about what is the difference between tense and sentence. Okay, avoid it. So the second question is, what is the difference between phrases and clauses?
What phrases and clauses? I
Don't know?
No.
Oh, guys, phrases and clauses, you don't about it. So tell me, what is
What
part of speech? Tell me part of speech.
Part of speech.
Parts
Noun,
of speech.
pronoun.
Yes, noun, pronoun.
Adjective, verb, adverb.
Okay, the first period is complete. Then what is your second period?
Second period.
Yes.
Mama, drawing.
Drawing?
Yeah.
I'm not joking. So okay, we are coming on third period. So tell,
Mama.
what is your third period?
Third period.
Which subject?
Hindi.
Hindi. Okay, I have a Hindi question. Don't
No, please
Ah.
don't do this.
What? Hindi is a very common, and your mother tongue is also
But
Hindi.
Mama, my classes are gap.
No. I will ask some question of Hindi.
Okay.
Okay, so I just have to. Okay, so हाँ, पर्यायवाची शब्द पूछूंगा कुछ, ठीक है? सो टेल मी द पहाड़ का पर्यायवाची बताओ, दो बता दो.
पर्वत.
ओके, एंड
पर्वत.
डोंट सर्च.
I'm
He's
not
searching.
I am not searching.
Okay, tell me that thing what I am asking.
पहाड़
पहाड़
हो गया एक.
पहाड़ का तो मैंने पूछा ही है.
अच्छा, पर्वत.
पर्वत बोला. हाँ,
और
पर्वत.
हिमालय.
वो हिमालय what? Not Himalaya.
हिमालय. Yes.
Himalaya is a mountain. Name. Himalaya is a name.
Yes, Himalay name.
He don't about. Okay, so आग.
Mama, I
आग.
forgot. I
आग.
learned it, but
The
very time.
the synonyms of fire. Fire. Yes, आग. आग का पर्यायवाची.
आग का.
If this video is too long, but no matter, we will upload.
No, Mama, that's all. Bye everyone.
No.
And please like and
So
subscribe.
tell. Okay, after completing your Hindi class, what is your next class?
I don't
Tell
know. I don't know, Mama. Bye.
It's not
We
a sleep.
meet again in many times.
It's not a sleeping time. It's
Mama.
question,
What is
asking
time
some
to-
question now. So tell me, just laying down.
Mama, sorry,
Okay,
I can't
okay.
do this.
Okay, so tell me, fourth period is which subject?
Maths.
Maths. Oh, that's why he's very scaring about maths. Okay, I have some maths question. Coming. Just coming. He's saying stop, mama, stop. I am asking that question and you have to ask that question. I will tell that. And
What, Mama?
Yeah. Just coming. Don't.
I don't know what chapter name. My math.
I will ask some question. I just laying down here with me.
First, tell me what's your question.
Here firstly you have to laying down here, then I will ask the some maths question. Come.
I know. Please ask me easy questions.
Yes, I am easy. I will ask the easy question, guys. I will ask the easy question. What is the value of cos 30?
Cos 30.
What is the Pythagoras premay? I mean theorem. Do you know about Pythagoras theorem?
I forget.
You forget?
Because
Okay.
many times.
Okay, no matter. So tell me, a plus b ka whole cube.
A square plus B square. Sorry, A cube.
Cube.
A cube
Not-
plus B cube. Wait, I will go to washroom.
No. Coming. Guys, he is not giving me proper answer and he's doing that things. Come fast. Viewers are watching you.
Sorry, I can't do this.
Why? But you are not able to give me the answer. My camera is on you.
Mama.
Yes.
Because I am a small child, so I am not able to.
I don't know. You have to just give me
Mama, I
answer,
will try to speak in English.
and I will.
So please don't ask me question.
What? Say
You
again.
are, don't ask question.
Why?
You are asking question in very hard.
So okay, now we will come which period?
Which period? Wait, drawing period.
No,
Come.
drawing is your second period, I think.
No, mama. Drawing second period.
Tell. What is your next period? Tell me.
Wait.
SST.
T.
SST. Social. Okay, I have a question about it. So
Yes,
I
ask.
will ask. What is?
I can explain in Hindi but not English.
Okay, what is the democracy? Okay, so what is constitution?
Constitution.
Yes.
Hindi.
संविधान क्या है?
संविधान.
Yes, you have to tell me
Mama.
what is constitution and who wrote it and write it.
What are you saying? I don't know.
Simple. The question is you have to just tell me what is constitution. संविधान क्या है?
I forget.
You don't know about the constitution.
No.
Okay, so I have next question.
Mama, you are.
So tell me what is the
Crazy me.
capital of Australia?
What?
Australia capital.
What's the capital? I don't know.
You don't know Australia capital? Germany. What is the capital of Germany?
Australia
Guys.
की USA.
USA. You are mad.
USA तो
Germany.
Australia ही है.
Germany.
I don't know.
You don't know. What is the
What are you?
what is the capital of Pakistan? पड़ोसी देश. Pakistan. You don't know. What is the capital of India?
I know, but
Boys,
I cannot explain.
Boys. You
Mama?
don't know any question. I will upload this video on YouTube.